Hey guys, welcome back to SUP'S Garage. I just want to make a quick video on replacing your oil pump / water pump from your 2004 to pretty much 2008 R1. So if you look at my YouTube channel, I already have a video on how to put this part back into your R1. But one of the things I've noticed that some people have commented on that video, they say you don't have to remove your clutch cover, your clutches, and your clutch basket in order to get to the top of the chain that goes to this gear here. And it turns out that is correct and it can save you some time, but it is a little bit of pain not only to remove that bolt, but to also put that bolt back on. As you can see, this gear sits on this shaft here a specific way. It has to sit just like that for this gear to sit on the shaft properly. The only issue with that is, as you can see, you don't have much room to put that bolt in and be able to see the gear sitting on the shaft properly. As you can see, I could barely squeeze one of my fingers in there, and I had to use two of my fingers, one on each side, just to get that bolt started. Now I do have that gear sitting in right, but I had to go on this side, and I'll show you on this one that I had to move this with my finger. Not too sure if you can see me move the propeller on the water pump, but basically I had to move that around up until the shaft matched up with the gear, and I was able to push this in, because you can no longer rotate that gear once it's on that chain. But basically, I just wanted to say on this video, it is possible to prevent you removing everything from the clutch side to get easier access to that chain from the top side to loosen it from the bottom of the water pump. So in the end, you decide which way is better for you, removing those clutches, getting the chain out of the way, or you can just go the route of removing the gear on the water pump to be able to get this back into the bike. The choice is yours. That's all on this video, guys.